Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni on behalf of Paulo Grow. Imagine being able to create natural remedies that not only help people feel better, but also look stunningly professional, without spending hours researching or hiring experts. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy entrepreneur, or someone passionate about the power of nature, the world of natural remedies is a billion-dollar industry waiting for you to tap into it. Introducing the 464 ChatGPT prompts for natural remedy recipes, your secret weapon for effortlessly crafting remedies that people will love. No expertise required. With this unique collection, you can create recipes for creating teas, detox smoothies, herbal balms, special remedies for pets, for kids, and many more ideas for you. Here's why you'll love it. Save time. No more hours of research. Each prompt gives you a head start with proven combinations. Boost creativity. Never run out of ideas. The prompts guide you to create remedies tailored to any need. Grow your business. Create products that your customers will rave about. Beautifully presented and effective. Enhance your customers' health. Use the remedies yourself or share them with loved ones to enjoy the healing power of nature. Don't miss your chance to transform your ideas into income or simply bring natural healing into your home. Click the button below to get instant access to the 464 ChatGPT prompts for natural remedy recipes and start creating remedies that inspire, heal, and sell. With just one click, you'll have everything you need to turn natural remedies into a passion, a business, or both. Don't wait. Start today.